All right, so you received your sample and you are ready to apply. This is what my sample packs look like. And it comes with enough to put on 4 fingers, and I'll show you how we do that. First, you're going to peel it open. Sorry, it's a little tricky. I taped these so that they would be nice and snug to the front side. So you're going to peel off the front side, and then it kind of comes off like that. And then you can pull all the goodies out of it. I don't even use these. This is a file that used to come in the Color Street, but you can use it to file if you're out and about or something and you want to file your nail. You can use that, but I never use that for application purposes. On here it says add me to Facebook and I will add you to my VIP group. So if you want to be in my VIP group, which is kind of like a nail bar, but it just runs all the time, definitely add me to Facebook. The other side has the application instructions. You're going to remove the clear top, remove the color from the white backing. Then you, once you have applied, you remove the silver tab so you can use the other end for the opposite hand on the same nail. And then you place on the nail, careful to not hit the cuticle, I'll show you that, and smooth it out. And then it says remove the excess with a file or a thumbnail. I prefer the thumbnail. So anyway, I'll leave the instructions so you can see them. But what we're going to do is take the prep pad that is provided, open it up, and all this is an alcohol pad. And these ones I already know fit on my middle finger and my pinky. So I'm going to go ahead and apply them to those nails. This is Singapore Chic. It is actually retired. That's why I'm okay with using it for my application video, but I just wanted to let you know, unfortunately, it's no longer available. If you really, really like it, contact me and I'll see if I can find it for you. A lot of times people buy a lot of stock and then they don't get rid of it, so I can probably find it for you if you really want it. Okay, so anyway, then we take the nail polish out. There's a little perforation you can just peel and then pull them out. Okay, and pull them apart. And this is a clear strip. It starts with the purple. Peel that off, set that aside, and then take the silver tab and peel the nail polish off the white backing, set that aside. Okay, and then this is the one that fits on this nail. I'm going to come a little closer so you can see. I'm putting it right next to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And if you have any kind of dead skin on your cuticles, you're going to want to remove that. Okay, and then I'm really pushing it down and getting it around all the edges. As you can see, it's just slightly too big on that side. That's okay. If you dig your nail in, kind of underneath your nail, you can peel that stuff right off after. So if you're afraid to touch it, that's totally fine. If you find the glossy side of this, which is the side that it was already stuck to, you can put that back on there and then use that to hold it. And you can break the excess with your nail and you're done. And then just peeling that off, that little bit of excess that I had there. Peel that right off. Okay. Beautiful. And then you take the other side, and here's where you're pulling the silver tab off. Just pops off. don't need that other thing anymore because I don't need this part. And again, just before the cuticle, you don't want to put it up here onto the cuticle. That one has a tiny bit of excess, kind of folds under, no big deal. And just see how dry it is. Like, you can do anything, just don't wash your hands for like 30 minutes after you do them. I have gotten them wet quicker, but I don't recommend it just because you want to make sure that they cure. So what happens is they're good to go. You can use the bathroom, whatever, but change the baby. Just don't wash your hands. But they really are fine. So as you can see, that was one strip, 2 of my nails. And when you get a set of these, it has 16 strips in it. So it's enough for a pedicure and 2 manicures. So it's worth it. Okay. So I just did that really quickly. I'm just going to show you how quick it can be without explaining everything. When you get good. I've been doing this for a year, but I learned this really quickly. And you saw again, I had a little excess. I'm just digging my nail right in the side there. Make sure you get it nice around the edges. Pull, pull, and you're done. And as you can see, I didn't do the other trick, but it peeled right off of my nail, or right off of my finger. All right. Okay, so you saw how quick that was? Watch this. Okay, the crazy part is I have to do another application video, so I'm going to be taking these off for you as well. Taking them off is easy as well. I use a dip jar that I get from CVS. You can get them anywhere. You could probably even get it on Amazon. I don't want to ruin my thing here. I'm going to use my aunt's pot tree to make sure I don't drip anything. But anyway, nail polish remover to take them off. I know it's crazy that I'm taking it off already, but I wanted to show you that they do come off with nail polish remover. Now the glitters are a little extra sticky. That's why a thing like this with the scoring pad in it works really well. So that is your tip for today, and I just wanted to share this with you, and let me know how you do, and share a nail fee for me in the nail bar that you are attending, or if you're in my VIP group and that's how you got the sample, please share in my VIP group, or both. That would be great. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.